What's up guys, welcome to the Tire Kickers channel, and today I'm going to be introducing you to my dad's BMW E39 LS3 swap.
I just threw a lot of letters and numbers at you, so don't worry if you didn't catch all of that. We have a lot of explaining to do, but before we show you what's currently under the hood, we need to get you up to speed with what has happened over the last 5 years. As you can tell, my dad has put an insane amount of work into this car and has made an effort to document every part of the project. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to suggest topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of these clips.
I'm happy with that, where the exhaust is hanging.
My dad took the car for a baseline dyno run shortly after getting the car back on the road in 2017. The results for this test were 381.46 wheel horsepower and 386.8 pound-feet of torque. Further adjustments were made to the intake and a proper tune was added, which definitely increased these numbers. But unfortunately, we don't have the data to back this up. Regardless, it was awesome. Hold up, are you subscribed? Just kidding, let's get back to it. For the past 5 months, the E39 has been in the garage for this Supercharger install. It's going to be nuts when it's all said and done, but there are still some finishing touches that need to be made before it's off to the tuner.
We're super stoked to get this car back on the road, and if you want to be a part of the journey, definitely hit that subscribe button and we'll take you along for the ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.